discussed a plus b the whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Second was a minus b the whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. When we are added them, a plus b the whole square plus a minus b the whole square. It will be how much? It gets cancelled 2 into a square plus b square. When we are subtracting them, minus a minus b the whole square. It will be how much? They get cancelled and 4ab. Okay. And then we discussed these will be very important equations to solve many equations over them. Square equal to a square plus 1 upon a square plus 2. AB they get cancelled here 2. Similarly, a minus 1 upon a the whole square. A square plus 1 upon a square minus 2. And similarly, when we add them, we will get, okay. If we add them, a plus 1 upon a whole square plus a minus 1 upon a whole square, how much will we be getting? 2 of a square plus 1 upon a square. And we are subtracting them. We'll be getting 4. Okay. These equations, you are familiar with them. We'll be using these equations in exercise first. These equations only will be using exercise first. Okay. So fourth A exercise we have started. First question. Any doubt in first question? Any doubt in first question? No doubt?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Any doubt?
So first question, fourth part.
First question, fourth part. Okay. 3a upon 2b minus 2b upon 3a. See here, can you see? 3a upon 2b. A 2b upon 3a minus 1 upon a. 2b upon 3a is the reciprocal of 3a upon 2b. Okay. Even if you didn't recognize that, you are not able to know, it's no issue. Okay. As it's square we have to take. Expand them. It will be 3a upon 2b the whole square. Plus, we are using, see here, these two equations are the basic for them all. Okay. These two equations. These two equations are the basics for them all. Okay. These all have been derived from them. Okay. So 2b upon 3a the whole square plus here will be minus 2ab into 3a upon 2b into 2b upon 3a. Okay. Now its square will be how much? 3. We have studied this. AB whole square. It will be how much? A square into b square. Now 3 square will be how much? 9a square upon 4b square plus 4b square upon 9a square. This is clear. Anywhere you have doubt, just tell. Okay. 3 upon 2b into 2b upon a. They get cancelled. 3a, 3a, 2b, 2b minus 2. This is the answer you will get. Clear? It was very easy. We have to just put in that formula and you get the answer. Okay. Now second one. How you are going to do the second one? If 101 the whole square is given. Okay. We can rewrite. We can represent 101 in something like this. 100 plus 1 the whole square. Can we rewrite? So 101 we can rewrite 100 plus 1. Now solve this one. Everyone solve. Use the formula a square plus b square plus 2ab. That formula we'll be using. Here a equal to 100 and b equal to 1. Solve it everyone. You have 1 minute. This chapter is very, very, very easy. Some identities you have to remember and with a click over clock you can solve. Okay. So solve it. Everyone solve this one. Everyone solve this one. And check whether you are getting this answer. Solve using identity. Use identities to evaluate. It is given in questions. Use identities to evaluate. Okay. So solve this one. So it will be how much? 100 square plus 1 square plus 2 into 100 into 1. 2 zeros, 4 zeros, plus 1 plus 200. 10201. Got? And see here, in examination, after solving, if you are having time, check it 101 into 101 and do if you are getting the same answer. That means you have used the identity perfectly. Clear? Anyone have doubt here? Okay. Second one, you can do it yourself. Second one will be homework. 502. It can be rewritten as 500 plus 2, the whole square. Okay, do the third one. 90. Okay, do fourth one. Third one is already done. Do the fourth one. Do fourth one. So you are having 998, the whole square. It can be rewritten as 1000 minus 2 whole square. So these questions will be writing as these numbers we can rewrite as either a plus b or a minus b. So 998 can be written as 1000 minus 2. Solve it first. Solve it. Anyone who haven't got the answer for first one? Anyone in class? Or haven't understood? If you don't understand, ask immediately. Solve this one. This you must get. 996004. Solve it. Everyone have solved? Everyone have solved the second. Okay. Third question will be homework. Okay. Third question do as homework. It's a plus b the whole square. Second a minus b the whole square. You can do it. Okay. We'll start with fourth. Okay. From fourth we'll be starting doing in class. Up to third question. Anyone have doubt? Okay. Read fourth question first part. Read fourth question first part. Read fourth question. So we have to evaluate a upon 2b plus 2b upon a. Okay. If you can see or figure out, this is a, this is 1 upon a. Okay. If you take this as x, it will be 1 upon x. Okay. If we are not able to figure it out, there is no issue. We can use these identities. If we can figure out, we'll be using this identity. If you are not able to figure out, we can use first one. We'll get the same answer. Okay. Minus of a upon 2b minus 2b upon a the whole square minus 4. Okay, this is the question. So after writing the question or this statement, we must first look at over it and try to figure out which identity we can use. So you can see it is x plus 1 upon x, the whole square, minus x minus 1 upon x, the whole square. Okay. So either we can directly use this one, but we should not use, we will go with these identities. Okay. Answer your, okay. Now expand this one, it will be how much? A upon 2b the whole square plus 2b upon a the whole square plus 2ab. So they get cancelled, we are getting plus 2. Understood this one? From first into, this is the expansion for first one. Now minus is there, so we'll put the bracket. Because minus sign is there, we will take care of this minus sign afterwards. We'll put the bracket. So it will be how much? A upon 2b the whole square plus 2b upon a the whole square minus 2, bracket closed, bigger bracket. You can use curly bracket as well, no issues with that. Minus 4. Understood this one? This time we will open the bracket, okay? So a upon 2b, we can write it as a square upon 4b square. Or we can leave it as such because they are going to cancel. So we can leave them as such as well, okay? Here either you can solve them or you can leave them as such as well because they are going to get cancelled. Okay? A upon 2b the whole square plus 2b upon a whole square plus 2 minus a upon 2b the whole square minus 2b upon, we have opened the bracket, plus 2 and here minus 4. Now you can see which terms are going to get cancelled. A upon 2b square, first and third term. Okay. And second and fourth term. So what are remaining? 2 plus 2, 4. Minus 4, how much we have got? 0. Understood this one? Have you understood? Anyone having doubt in class?
Sir, can you tell how the plus 2 and minus 2 came first?
Plus 2 and minus 2, okay? Okay, when we are expanding them, okay? I'm expanding here. First one, a upon 2b whole square plus 2b upon a whole square plus 2ab is there. So it will be what? A upon 2b into 2b upon a. Yes or no? This is the equation. They get cancelled. A, 2b, 2b. They get cancelled. So what we are getting? Plus 2. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next time ask when I solve here. Okay, don't let me move forward. Okay, when the doubt arises, ask immediately. Is this clear? Similarly here, minus 2 into a upon 2b into 2b upon, they get cancelled. Okay, now do it in your notebook without looking on board. Okay, and those who have completed fourth first, try to do second one. Try to do second one, fourth second. Okay. Oh, so start solving first one without looking on the board. And those who are completed, do the second one. You are having 1 minute. Okay, expand them. So mainly we'll be making use of this identity and this identity. Okay, this identity, if we don't remember, don't use. Okay, leave them. Okay, as I haven't used these identities we will use. Okay, and from them only we have derived these two identities. Okay, so we must remember these four identities. Okay, rest we have just derived from them. Okay. So from first, we can derive this one. From second, we can derive this one. So these four identities we must remember. Okay. So first is clear. Second one, everyone who got the answer. Its answer will be 96 AB. Have you got the answer? Anyone who haven't got or haven't understood any step? Fourth, second, keep doing and solve. Fourth, second, anyone have doubt? So, question is 4A plus 3B. Anyone in class who is not able to solve, just tell me. Anyone in class? Anyone in class, it is same as first one plus 48 AB. Anyone in class who is not able to solve this one? So it will be how much? If we take this square, 4A square, 4A the whole square, 16A square plus 9B square. I've skipped one step, okay? Plus 2 into 4 into 3. How much? 4 is at 12, 24 AB minus 16A square plus 9B square plus it will be minus 24 AB plus 48 AB. Now if you open the bracket, here we will have the minus sign and here we will have the plus sign. Okay. Now they get cancelled. We are getting 24 AB plus 24 AB, 48 AB plus 48 AB, 96 AB. Is everyone able to solve? If you don't
Yes.
get it, do ask. Okay. Okay, do the third one now. Fifth one. Fourth, first, and second. Anyone have doubt? Anyone having doubt in fourth, first, and second? Okay. Then do start doing fifth one. Start doing fifth one. If, okay, read the question first. If A plus B equal to 7 and AB equal to 10, and we have to find A minus B. Okay. This here you can use two methods to solve. A plus B equal to 7. See the question, this is given and this is being provided AB equal to 10. Okay. And we have to find A minus B value. Okay. Okay. There are two ways to solve this one. Okay. Two methods are there. Okay. Either we can use this identity, we'll directly get the answer. Okay. This identity. Okay. You can see A plus B equal to 7 is given, A plus B is given. A plus B is given, and here AB is given. A minus B we have to calculate. Using this identity, we can directly calculate. If we, for instance, if we don't remember these identities, there's no need to panic. We can solve in other way as well. How? So see here, we all remember A minus B. Okay, A plus B is given, AB is given. So if we write A plus B the whole square, it will be how much? A square plus B square plus 2AB. Okay. If we write A minus B the whole square, A square plus B square minus 2AB. Okay. Now see here, what we have to calculate A minus B. Now AB we already know 10 is given. It is provided in question, but its value we do not know. A square plus B square's value we do not know. So we have to find its value. How we can calculate? its value we can calculate from here. Since AB is given, this is how much? Equal to 7. A plus B is given and AB is given equal to 10. From here we can calculate the value of A square plus B square. And that value we can put here. Okay, understood this question? You have understood the question?
No, sir.
Okay, again see here, what is this? A minus B we have to calculate. Okay, always remember in all those calculations of variables we'll be using identities. Whenever they are given A minus B, A plus B, AB, something like this, always it must click in your mind that we are going to use the identities. Okay, how we are going to use? We will discuss square of this difference and sum. So A minus B the whole square, if we take A minus B the whole square, what we are getting? A square plus B square minus 2AB. So if we can calculate the value of A minus B the whole square, its root we will take and A minus B value we can get. Okay, but before that, to calculate its value, we must know the value of A square plus B square. This is clear? To know its value, we must know the value of A square plus B square. This value we do not know, okay? But AB value, we know. It is how much? 10. It means its value we have to calculate. And how we are able to calculate this? We are being provided A plus B the whole square equal to A plus B equal to 7 is provided. If we take the square, A plus B the whole square, we are having A square plus B square plus 2AB. AB value we have, and from this equation we can calculate its value. Okay, from this equation we can calculate its value. How we are going to calculate? So it is being given A plus B, this is the identity, A square plus B square plus 2AB. We'll write this one. Okay, A plus B is how much? It is given in question 7. 7 square, A square plus B square plus 2AB. AB how much? 10. Understood this one? Anyone have doubt here? 7 square is how much? 49. A square plus B square plus 20. So what will be the value of A square plus B square? 20 we take on left hand side. 49 minus 20. So A square plus B square value equal to how much? How much it will be? 29. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So
sir.
we got the value of 29. We got the value of this one. No 29, A square plus B square. Its value we got. Now its value we got, that is 29. Okay. Now if we use this identity, its value we have calculated, we can put it here. What was the identity? A minus B the whole square equal to how much? A square plus B square minus 2AB. Okay. A minus B the whole square. How much? A square plus B square is how much? 29? 29. Minus 2AB. AB is how much? 10. 2 into 10? 20. How much we are getting? 9. Okay. What we have calculated? A minus B the whole square equal to 9. I am writing here. Take the root. A minus B will be plus minus 3. Take the root of 9. Root of 9 plus minus 3. Understood this one? Plus minus 3. Have you understood this? Why I have used plus minus 3? Because A minus B value can be plus 3. It can be minus 3 as well. The square of minus 3 is 9. The square of plus 3 is 9. So A minus B, these two values satisfies. Understood? Anyone have doubt? Anyone having doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. This is the first method. And mainly this method we use. Okay. There is second one as well. I'll tell you that as well. Okay. This is clear. This method is very important. This way to solve is important, okay? Rather than using the shortcuts. You understood? Okay. Anyone in class who haven't understood this one? Because many more questions we are going to solve based on this. Okay? Okay. Second way, which identity? A plus B, AB is given A minus B. So check this one. A is this value we don't have. Minutes we have to calculate. Check this identity. A plus B the whole square minus A minus B the whole square equal to 4AB. Okay. Simply put, A plus B the whole 7 square minus its value we do not know. We have to calculate 4 into 10, 40. So, okay, 49 minus A minus B the whole square equal to 40. Take this on right hand side and take this on left hand side. So 49 minus 40 equal to A minus B the whole square. Or we can rewrite as A minus B the whole square equal to 9. Again, we got the answer A minus B equal to plus minus 3. Okay. But use this one. Okay. Use these two to solve. This will help you much. Okay. Here we have simply used the identity. It's the shortcut. So don't use the shortcut here. Solve using this one. Okay. Don't use the shortcut. Solve using this. It will help you. Okay. Fourth, second. Okay. Fifth is clear. Fifth is clear.
Yes,
Clear to
sir.
everyone.
Yes,
Okay. Sixth one, do as homework. Sixth one, you can do as homework. It's the same kind. Use this method, first method which I told. Okay, seventh one, read it. Seventh one, solve it. You have 2 minutes. Okay. Seventh one, solve it. First one you solve. X plus y is given and xy is given. X minus y you have to calculate. Solve this one. Solve seventh one. X plus y equal to 7. Xy equal to 5 by 2. Okay, we have to find x minus y. This you have to find. You all can calculate this. Again, the same identities. Keep solving your notebook without looking on the board. If you know it, square equal to how much? X square plus y square plus 2xy. Okay. And for x minus y, we require its value. So we used this one. So it is 7 square equal to how much? 2 into 5 by 2. 2 get cancelled, 5 we are getting. 49.
Sir, x plus y is 7 upon 2.
It is 7 upon 2. Okay, 7 upon 2 it is. Thank you. So 7 upon 2 the whole square. 7 upon 2 the whole square. It will be how much? 49 divided by 4 equal to how much? X square plus y square plus 5. Subtract them. So x square plus y square equal to how much? 49 upon 4 minus 5. Again, we are getting how much? 29. Are we getting this one? Check it once. Whether am I correct? Have we got this one? Okay. Now,
Yes.
its expansion we will do. X minus y the whole square. X square plus y square minus 2xy. Okay. Put the values. 29 upon 4 minus 2 into 5 by 2. 2 get cancelled. Again, we are getting 29 upon 4 minus 5. Okay. 9 we have got. Okay. So x minus y value will be how much? Root of 9. It will be how much? Plus minus 3. Anyone having doubt in first one? I'll take 1 more minute. Anyone having doubt in first one?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, then tell me how to solve this one. Okay. Now I'm rubbing them. Okay. How to get the value of x square minus y square? X square plus y square, we can get the values. We have calculated here. But how to calculate its value? Here it is minus I. X square minus y square. Do you remember one identity? Very important identity. We love that identity.
X plus
square.
y, x minus y.
Yes. This is the most loved identity. Yes or no? X square minus y square equal to x plus y into x minus y. Or x plus y into x minus y equal to x square minus y. That is difference of two variables multiplied with sum of two variables. Okay. Sum of two variables multiplied with difference of two variables will give us square of the first variable minus square of the second variable. Understood? So solve this one. This very easy. Just put the value 7 by 2 and here plus minus 3. So how much you are getting? 7 by 2 into plus minus 3. How much it will be? How much you are getting? Plus minus 21 upon 2. Understood this question? Anyone having doubt? Anyone having doubt? Okay, so do the question up to 9th. Try to solve a question up to 9. Okay, and if you don't get it, we'll discuss them in class. Okay, up to 9th, try to solve. Okay, and clear to everyone?
Sir,
Yes.
Sir,
sir, 7 first part answer is 3 by 2.
Plus minus 3 by 2. Okay,
yes, sir.
okay, 1 minute. Yes, we made a mistake here. Okay, see, I forgot to put 4. Okay, equal to root of 9 by 4 plus minus 3 by 2. Okay, thanks a lot. Here it will be plus minus 3 by 2. Okay, so minus 21 upon 4 plus minus 21 upon 4. Clear to everyone? Thanks for this one. Okay. So always check once that we have learned today. Okay. That we may make silly mistakes. Okay. Okay.